Kain na ng kauna. Let's eat.
Let's eat. But it's still not sliced it yet.
Slice naman na.
Oh. Mom.
Hari ka tabi? Okay, let's eat pancit. Oh, pancit. Ito pancit. Piron. Galing ka?
Oh my God.
Hello, Sis Maurice. We leave one for Santa because Santa said he wanted to... Saba, uy, kinag-storya po. Man!
At ka dito?
Oh, who's crying?
Wow.
Look, dito, katapos pa. Papi. Oh, sana all.
Asa man yung mga bebe?
Shout out to you guys. So, kahit tayo kain.
Asa yung mga anak? Ano? Ano?
Uy, kain tayo. From Santa. Yan. Nabok. Okay, so sabi ni Santa, mag-iwan na kami ng isa para sa kanya. So, mag-iwan ng isa sa pepperoni ha. Mag-iwan ng isa. Oh my God. Yan. Ay, kain tayo. Sir Dan, me too. I'm waiting for birthday. Si Daniel yan, Sir Daniel. Hindi si Sir Dan, ha? Si Santa ba? Yung tinatawag ko na Santa. Yan eh, na, pag-insurance na lang na.
Reassurance nilang ating. Grabe na naman.
Ay, salamat sa inyo, Ayan. Mag-iwan ng isa para sa sponsor. Iwan lang daw sa tiktukan. Ayan. First time namin dito. Enjoy eating. Thank you so much. Maghagis ka ng isang hiwa dito. Ching! Ching! Maghagis talaga sis. Tatawa ko dyan sa hagis ha. Ihagis
So very hot.
Hot day.
Isn't it?
Oh.
Perfect. Better.
Nadinig ha. Okay, let's eat. This is the pepperoni. This one is the Hawaiian.
Kami yellow is so spicy.
Oh, ayun na. Tago na lang Hawaiian.
No,
Kain tayo.
I don't like that.
Alin?
I don't want it.
So, stop it. And do nothing. You want anything. Stop eating and do nothing.
Don't like the pepperoni. I have the yellow sauce.
Paano ko?
Because I have the yellow sauce.
So, sauce.
Yellow sauce.
Sausage.
That's not sauce, it's cheese.
I don't know why it's spicy.
Doon na ako sa ang daming tao. Doon kami unang nag-inquire. Daming tao.
Yummy.
Sa siya sa pasta. Palat man, no?
Pepperoni?
Maybe this is the flavor of pepperoni.